How to make this animation in Figma. Let's start. Selecting the picture and placing it within a frame. Next, add text to the frame. Create a component from the frame and access its properties. Choose the variant type in the properties. Duplicate the variant, then select the number text and change its color to white. In the upper frame, select the picture and set its opacity to 0. In the second frame, select the picture and increase its size. Proceed to the prototype section and connect the first frame to the second frame. Select the mouse enter option and then choose the smart animation option. Opt for the custom animation and input the desired value. Duplicate the first frame, add it to the desktop frame, and replicate the same procedure for the other 3 frames. Congratulations! Your animation is now complete. For more captivating videos, consider subscribing and following.